Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda. Thank you so much for joining me, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button if you love my content and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post a video. If you're returning, thanks so much for supporting my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an elegant style on my 4C natural hair. As usual, I don't comb my hair. I start off by finger detangle my hair. My hair is 1 week post wash day. The white stuff on my hair is coconut oil. I start off by opening an ear to ear line and a short crown section line. In order for my hair to lay flat, I spray mostly the roots and I hydrate the hair all the way down to my ends. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay my hair down with my hands and secure a puff towel with a hair tie. Then I'm going to go ahead and twist the tail just to prevent my hair from shrinking. In front, I'll take this front quarter section. Then I'm going to divide my hair into 3 sections. Then I'm going to start braiding. Then I'll add a hair extension, braid, and keep on adding to make my tail look natural and thick. Guys, towards the ends, don't forget to tie a knot so that your braid won't unravel. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just repeat the same process on the other side. Then now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to do a crisscross here at the back and wrap my tail around my low bun. I'm going to go ahead and figure detangle my hair and open it up like a flower. Then I'm going to start twirling in small sections until a beautiful low bun takes shape. Then I'm going to brush my hair up, spray with water, and put a scarf to tie my hair, and we are done. So ladies, this is a simple, elegant style that is done within 5 minutes. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you found this video to be helpful. And please, if you did, don't forget to share and give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.